क्वेश्चन जो अगला सवाल मैं पूछने जा रहा हूं वो किताबों पर है कि किताबों का आध्यात्मिक पुस्तकों का क्या भूमिका है विश्व शांति लाने में। Your Holiness, you have written a number of wonderful books on spiritual topics, including on the topic of peace. The next question to Your Holiness is, what, according to you, is the role of spiritual literacy and books in spreading peace?
In my writing and also my talk, two categories. One, of course, I am Buddhist, and number of occasion lecture on Buddhism. And Buddhism also, we Tibetan Buddhism is pure lineage of Nalanda tradition. So therefore, one category of my book, my writing about Buddhist philosophy, Buddhist sort of concept, these things. Then another category, I simply, try to educate or try to make clear, without a religion, we can develop a secular spirituality. Some my friends, in the West, some my friends, some Muslims, some Christians, little sort of reservation, the word of secularism. So secularism, some people, consider it is some little disrespect of religion or rejection of religion. Maybe during French Revolution or Bolshevik Revolution, this is some kind of negative attitude. That's not necessarily religious sort of spirituality, but rather religious institution. Religious institution corrupted. So supporting, elite people. They are suppressing people, exploiting people. So it's right to oppose these religious institutions which you use for, exploitation, like that. But in any way, according to Indian Constitution and Mahatma Gandhi, look, Mahatma Gandhi himself, very religious-minded, but he always, he often used to talk secularism. So India's constitution also is based on secularism. So secularism does not mean disrespect of religion, but rather respect of all religions. No preference in this religion or that religion. And as I mentioned earlier, the Advaita sort of explanation, the secularism also sort of respect non-believer. So one category, my talk and my writing about secular ethics and the method to bring secular ethics through secular way. Nothing to do with religion. Mainly our common experience, common intelligence, common sense, and then scientific findings. On these three bases, I try to promote or try to make clear the warm-heartedness is very important. Nothing to do with religion. Never take quotation from religion. So these two goals, one Buddhism, one secular ethics. Right there. And then also another my book, because of kingship among the different religious traditions. That also simply, I sort of express according India's 1,000-year-old tradition, religious harmony. Like that. Oh, there must be many other books. I don't know. And of course, Mahatma Gandhi ji or those great sort of thinkers, and also from the West. I think real intelligent, real sort of wise people always think global issue or wider issue. So the peace, naturally, they're very important sort of matter. I thought. But detailed book, I don't know. You should find out in these bookshops. I don't know.
हिज होलीनेस ने बताया कि दो प्रकार के उनके खुद के लिखे हुए पुस्तक है, एक बुद्धिज्म पर और कई सारे पुस्तक ऐसे हैं जो सेक्युलर है, जो किसी एक धर्म या संप्रदाय के बारे में पुस्तक नहीं है, मगर अपने अनुभूति के बारे में, जिसमें कॉमन सेंस भी जुड़ता है और जिसमें विज्ञान भी जुड़ता है। ऐसे उनके कई सारे पुस्तक हैं और भी लोगों के पुस्तक हैं। हम सभी जाकर बुक स्टोर्स में ढूंढे, ऐसा इस होलीनेस का गाइडेंस था। The next question, Your Holiness.
Yes.
जो अगला सवाल मैं पूछने जा रहा हूं वो इस विषय पर है कि डिसिप्लिन का क्या महत्व है, अनुशासन का क्या महत्व है, क्या अनुशासन से शांत मन और शरीर हो सकता है? Your Holiness, the next question is on discipline. You are so disciplined. You meditate for many hours every day. You are going to catch a flight to the US. You have been standing here for the last 35 minutes. You are an epitome of discipline. So the question is, what do you think is the importance of discipline in daily life? Does discipline lead to a peaceful body and peaceful mind?
Oh, I don't think. Like a Nazi soldier or communist soldier, very good discipline. Now, I want to share you. Sometimes people have the impression discipline is something kind of rule imposed by some leaders or authority. That's, I think, wrong impression. Here, discipline, genuine discipline is self-discipline. Out of awareness. If I do this, or I think 3 level of action: physical level action, verbal level action, mental level action. 3 actions, 3 karma. So if I do such action, say harsh word, or beating, or look very badly to others, these are physical actions. And mentally, hatred, so the desire to harm other, or cheating other, bully other. You see, these actions ultimately bring more uncomfortable to myself. Positive action, showing other respect, genuine understanding, nice word, brings more happy atmosphere. So out of fuller awareness, wrong action or any action which brings unhappiness to oneself, uncomfortable to oneself, or any action which brings not only some benefit to other but ultimately to oneself, out of awareness, these pros and cons, then restrain doing harmful thing to other as well as yourself, and deliberately try to carry some action which brings to benefit to other, ultimately benefit to oneself. So that's the self-discipline. So I myself, of course, per se, some meditation or some deity sort of discipline my sort of routine, that daily routine, some sort of discipline, mainly for my own health. Healthy mind, healthy body, and also trying to bring some kind of, at least a few moments, some presence of experience. I want to bring some kind of positive atmosphere here. I like that. So these are the basis of self-discipline. You don't think discipline is something imposing on you. That's burden. That's a wrong concept. But self-discipline, out of awareness for your best interest, that's a discipline.
हिज होलीनेस ने बताया कि डिसिप्लिन यानी ये अर्थ नहीं कि ये करो सुबह उठकर फिर उसके बाद 8 बजे ये करो, ये नहीं, बल्कि डिसिप्लिन का अर्थ है 3 कर्मों में शरीर से अनुशासन, मन से अनुशासन और वाणी से अनुशासन। और अगर ये है तो डिसिप्लिन संभव है। इस पर ज्यादा हम सभी ध्यान दें। योर होलीनेस, in the interest of discipline, I should stop now, even though there are more questions. We want to be on time. It was a privilege to have asked questions to you. Please join us for a book release in a few moments from now.